Online seller life, step 1. A ver, how do I do the Lazada? I print the airway bills with a continuous paper, stickers with a little printer, which a thermal printer that uses no ink. It burns in the sticker, and it's very cheap to do. And this is sticker paper. You take it out and then you'll put it in the package order. Lazada selling, step 2. I get the other printer, the big normal printer, and I print the packing details. So whatever it has the details of what each item, how many items, barcode, and it matches with the stickers, with the airway bill stickers that we printed before. Okay, this is step number 2. So the warehouse people can know which code matches which sticker. They match it, and it's a double check. It's a double check process. Step 3 for online seller, I use an accounting program called waveapps.com. It's free, and so here I track the sales. There's a code for each sale which matches the Lazada code. The date when it's due, I put it for 15 days after. I put here Lazada. I'll show you how I do it. This is just a little tutorial so you can see. I put Lazada, see? And then I can track it, and then I add how many items and the amount and everything, if there's a discount or not. This way I know when I check on all my invoices. Wait, I'm gonna show you like the other screen where all the invoices are, what's coming. I know what's overdue, what needs to be followed up, Lazada DBS or Shopee or whatever, so you have control. You know what's pending, what's not pending, and you can check. You can take it out if there's a return. You can delete it here. Step number 4, you go to your warehouse, you get the sales. For example, this was sold, and then you put it in bubble wrap. You put some carton, bubble wrap, you wrap it, and it ends up looking like that with the airway bill, and you give it to the courier company. The next step as a Lazada seller will be go back on your computer, and whether the package is returned or it's sold, received, and they pay you for it, and then you have to check your accounting program and check your bank account if it matches, the sale matches with the income there. Well, of course, step 6 as a Lazada seller would be restock. Talk with your suppliers, get enough stock. Hopefully they give you some credit, so you don't have to pay immediately. You can pay a little later when you sell, but sometimes you cannot do that. And do promotions online so people will buy your product. You can pay for ads in Lazada and Shopee. You can do marketing.